Before ironing, she sprayed this on the fabric and the result was amazing. Ironing bed linen, curtains, and covers requires a lot of time and effort. Don't spend money on expensive chemicals, we offer you the perfect hack. Few people enjoy this time-consuming process. However, there are modern tools that make this task easier. They improve the iron's glide on the fabric, give it freshness, and increase resistance to dirt. Starch aerosols are available in spray form or as a liquid to pour into the iron. We offer you the perfect hack, which won't cost you any money but can be made at home for a few cents. What you'll need: 2 cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 to 2 drops of essential oil, an empty spray bottle. Here's the procedure: fill the container with warm water, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a few drops of essential oil. Attach the spray nozzle and shake the container well to dissolve all the starch. You should get a cloudy mixture like milk. Before use, shake the bottle well. To get a smooth and clean surface, spray a little product on the fabric from a distance of 25 to 35 centimeters. Wait 15 to 20 seconds and iron at the temperature indicated on the fabric's label. Just spray a little liquid. If necessary, you can starch the fabric again. Shake the bottle before each spray. The starch spray leaves no residue or stains on light and dark fabrics, or even on the bottom of the iron. However, remember that some fabrics may lose their properties during ironing, so test the spray on an inconspicuous area. Before ironing, always check the product label to ensure the item can be ironed.